Hi everyone, this is Nadia Subratie coming to you live from Queens, New York from createwealthwithnadia.com. So today I have an amazing topic I want to cover with you guys today. But first of all, guys, I know I'm in my bedroom right now because you know why? The lighting is better in here and the internet is better in here than it is in my living room. So lately I have been working in my bedroom, with my computer because the internet has been really crappy whenever I do videos and stuff like that. But guys, what I want to talk to you all today about is health. And true wealth is health, because without health, you have nothing. So when you guys jump in, let me know who's here so I can give you guys a shout out. And we're going to be chatting for a little while. This is going to be a long video because I have a lot that I want to say to you guys and I want to talk to you guys about. So who do I have on here? So I see a bunch of you guys jumping on. What's going on, everyone? Say hello, comment. Let me know who's here so I can give you guys a shout out. Okay, so guys, first of all, I want to talk a little bit about my background and why I am so concerned and why I talk a lot about health, right? I have a medical background. I have a degree in health information technology, a degree in public health, a double master's in acupuncture and oriental medicine. So I studied diseases. I studied epidemics. I've studied pandemics. I've studied disease process. I've studied epidemiology, how diseases spread, how the flu is spread, all of this stuff, right, guys? So what I'm about to share with you guys today is going to be an eye-opener. Now, I know everyone is saying, the media, everyone is saying, oh, wear a mask, going to protect you. Guys, let me tell you something. You're wearing a mask. Yeah, you know what? If you're wearing a mask and you're in a supermarket, right, and someone has the virus and you're not 6 feet away from them, guess what? This virus is airborne. It stays in the air, I think probably at least like 3 hours. Let's say, okay, for example, see all those people that were protesting? Yeah, some of them were wearing masks. Why are they all infected now? Why are they all infected now with the virus? Look at Florida. Look at Arizona. Look at, where? Texas. Why are they all infected? Right? Because they were right next, stuck to each other, protesting. Yes, they were wearing a mask. Guys, this virus lives in the air. When you're so close and congested to people, a mask is not going to protect you from that. A mask will protect you if you're like 6 feet away, right? Because it takes time. The more virus you come into contact with, the more you're going to get this into your system. A lot of people don't get this. Do I wear a mask when I go to the supermarket? Yes. Am I boosting my immune system? Hell yeah. You're kidding me? I am boosting my system. Why? Because I studied public health. I know how to protect myself. So many people are listening that this virus is fake. Guys, you want to know some of the consequences from this virus? You can get this virus. You can recover. It takes 60 days that this virus stays in your stool, your poop. You know what I'm saying? After you start feeling better. Guess where that poop goes? In the sewer system. The sewer system is going to be a continuous course of infection. How do I know this? My friend, he's an anesthesiologist. He's treating patients with COVID in a different country, right? And when he told me this, I was shocked. He told me this about 8 weeks, a little over 8 weeks ago, right? So a lot of people are not taking this seriously. A lot of people think, oh yeah, you know what, let me just get the virus. Guys, you can be healthy. You can get this virus. Yes, you can kick it. But what's going to happen? A lot of people, right, they're getting the virus again after they recovered from it. Many of them are wearing heart monitors. I bet you guys didn't know that, right? A lot of them are wearing heart monitors. A lot of them having different issues, kidney problems, heart disease. Guys, this virus is affecting your whole body system, even after you recover, even after you have recovered. Still, people are not taking this seriously. Still, people are not boosting their immune system. They think, oh, by wearing a mask is going to protect them. A lot of people are not protecting. Guys, listen to me. I used to treat patients with HIV, AIDS, hepatitis C infections, and all different types of sexually transmitted diseases. I've treated patients who had very, very low T cells. They couldn't even fight a freaking virus if they were to get a simple virus, okay? And what happens if they get a simple virus, a cold or something like that? It will kill them. Why? They don't have immunity. They don't have a strong immune system to fight it. Guys, I was treating young patients, young guys that was like 21 to 30 years old with HIV AIDS. You know what they were doing with the medication, with the Truvada? They were selling it on the streets. How do I know this? Because when I looked at their lab reports, they wasn't taking the medication. That's why the viral load would go up so high. A lot of these young people have HIV. A lot of these young people, they're not getting tested. Their immune system is weak. The reason why they're not getting tested, because they're scared that it's going to be a positive result. Now, in the event, let's say you have a low immunity or any kind of immune system deficiency, right, guys? Or maybe lupus or autoimmune diseases. Your immune system is not working correctly. You get COVID-19, what's going to happen to you guys? I'm not saying you guys, but I'm saying in general. This virus can kill you if you have a low immune system. So I recommend, guys, start boosting your immune system. I have been eating garlic for a long time. I have not been sick in God alone knows how many years. I have not been sick. You know, I don't even take over-the-counter medication. I don't take antibiotics. I don't take any of that stuff. You know why? Because I have a strong immune system. God forbid in the event, you know, guys, listen. We haven't even reached the second wave yet. The second wave is going to be worse than the first, what we're dealing with right now. This is nothing. This is nothing what we're dealing with right now compared to what we're going to be dealing with in the fall or the winter. You know, and I know what I'm saying to you guys. Yet so many people are not taking this seriously. Guys, last week, I drove to the beach. I was just like, you know, I was bored at home. I wasn't going to go to the beach, but I decided to go for a drive. So I drove by the beach and I parked the car. Guys, the beach was packed with people. Packed with people in New York. No one is wearing a freaking mask. They're so close to each other. It takes, what, 2 to 14 days for this virus, like, for the incubated period? Guys, don't take this shit, like, this is serious. This is serious. This is a serious issue. And a lot of people are going to get infected. A lot of people are going to get this. If you don't have a strong immune system, how the heck are you going to fight this virus or any other viruses? And what like really bothers me is like the media, the news, doctors, they're not telling people to take vitamins. They're not telling people to build a stronger immune system. They're not telling people to eat healthy. How do I know this? How do I know this? Because I work on social media. I'm on all the platforms. I'm watching everything is going on. I'm constantly reading. They're not even telling people to boost their immune system. Why are they not doing that? Guys, a mask will protect you if you're far away. If you're like next to someone like this and they're not wearing a mask and they have COVID and they're coughing, guess what? The COVID virus is so tiny. It's so tiny. It could go through the friggin' mask. You know? And what I'm saying to you guys is the truth. You guys got to start taking care of your family and yourself. Sajida is here. She's my friend. Her brother-in-law died in Pakistan. And all her family got infected with it. This was last month. And he was a young guy. He wasn't even old. Guys, young people, the age of what? Under 35 is dying from this. You know? So it's time that you guys like start like really taking this seriously. Don't go out if you don't have to. Yes, I know we're tired of being home. We're bored, whatever, guys. But your health is more valuable than you catching this virus. You know? And you just gotta like protect your immune system. You know what I'm saying? And I wanted to share that with you guys. So let me give you guys a shout out. Hey Isaiah, what's going on, my friend? Hey Hamada. The mask is to prevent the spread. Yes, the mask is to prevent the spread. But guys, if you're like so close up to someone, for example, like you know, when they had like you know, all these riots and stuff like that. Look how close people were to each other. And I knew this was going to happen. I knew it was just a matter of time, right? In New York, we don't have that many cases, but now it's rising again in Long Island. Why? Because for Memorial Day weekend and 4th of July weekend, everybody was out at the beach partying, not wearing a mask, walking in the street. Now, guess what? In Long Island, 2% of cases is higher now in the whole of New York. Guys, it's only a matter of time before this comes back here. And look, people who have gotten the virus and got over it, they're getting reinfected again. They are getting reinfected again, you know? Ali, you're right. Immune system, guys, is the only thing that's going to help you to be able to fight this virus or any other viruses. And the matter of fact, a lot of viruses are emerging now. They have one in China. They have the black plague. Yeah, my friend was telling me about it. He was like, it was all over the news. I don't watch TV. I don't have cable. I turned that off. I just read a lot. I'm constantly, you know, on my computer or whatever. So I don't watch TV. I stopped watching TV since I started my online business like almost 4 years ago. I just stopped watching that, right? So my friend was telling me yesterday, he goes, oh my God, he goes, their fingernails are turning black. Guys, he said to me, and it's true, their fingernails are turning black and they're just dying. They're pooping on themselves. This is happening in China right now. I bet you no one is saying that on the news, right? What's going on? And the pneumonia one, there's one that's causing severe pneumonia, is killing people. And the Black Death. The Black Death is back. And people are dying. There's no cure for the Black Death, but there's a cure for the plague. You know? So he was telling me this yesterday and I was like, oh my gosh. You know what I'm saying? So guys, even the National Geographics, right? I was reading an article. They were saying because of all the ice glaciers are melting, they're saying diseases and viruses like anthrax, the plague, the bubonic plague, what is it? A whole bunch of other diseases, right? And viruses that has been buried in the ice. Since the ice is melting, they're emerging now. This is something we got to take seriously. The only thing that we can do is to build our immune system. And I just wanted to share that with you guys. And that's what I'm doing, you know. This from Victoria. Yes, so many, because I have same black blood. Oh, thank you, beautiful. Thank you, Hamada. You take care of yourself as well. Hey, Angelica, what's going on, beautiful? Hey, David. What's going on, everyone? Hey, oh, hey, Olivia. So guys, I just wanted to share this with you guys. I just want to shoot you guys a quick video, all right? So listen, guys, if you don't have to go out and be around people, guys, just stay home. You know, like, I feel like if everyone were to stay home and they would have like a complete shutdown, we'd be able to like, not eradicate this virus, but like contain it. You know what I mean? And you know, this virus is everywhere. It's killing people all over the world. All over the world. You know, look, I think Sweden, they wasn't wearing a mask. Now cases doubled up over there. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, wearing a mask and, you know, taking vitamins or minerals or whatever it is and eating healthy, guys. Add lots of garlic to your diet. You know what to do? Get a garlic, raw garlic, chop it up. Let it get oxygenated from the air, right? Because once it gets oxygenated, then you put a little bit of olive oil. Let it crush up the garlic, the raw garlic, crush it up, let it sit for 10 minutes to get activated, for the enzymes to get activated, because it gets activated with the air when it gets oxygenated. Take that, put some olive oil or even better, coconut oil in a spoon and swallow it. I know it doesn't taste good, but it's going to build a strong immune system. All right? So that's just one tip. I'm doing a lot of other things to build my immune system. I am not taking chances with this. I live in New York. Guys, a lot of people died in my neighborhood. A lot of people. I was constantly hearing sirens every single day when so many people were dying. You know, and I just want to share that with you guys. True wealth is health, because without health, guys, you have nothing. So I just wanted to share this with you guys. So anyway, I love you guys, and I will talk to you all later. Have an amazing, amazing, and blessed day.